Hello, boys and girls. It's Miss Rivers. I hope you are all doing well. Today, we will continue our lesson on measurement. You will need page 9 from your learning packet, notebook paper, and a pencil. Before we begin, let's warm up by practicing our math facts. You will be given 5 seconds to answer each addition fact. Ready? Go. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 3, 9. 7 plus 3, 10. 8 plus 3, 11. 9 plus 3, 12. 10 plus 3, 13. Great job, boys and girls. Now it's time to solve the problem of the day. I am going to read the problem. As I read the problem, I want you to visualize what is happening in the story. That means create a picture in your mind of what is happening. Listen carefully. There are 71 blocks in a box. Brian puts 6 more blocks inside the box. How many blocks are in the box now? Boys and girls, what I'd like for you to do is pause the video and solve the problem. When you are done, press play to continue and check your answer. Now I'm going to show you how to solve the problem. One of the things that a good mathematician does is underline the question, which I have already done. How many blocks are in the box now? The next thing a mathematician does is circle important numbers. So we're going to circle 71 and 6. Next, box important words. For this problem, the important word is more. The word more tells us to add. Next, I'm going to write an equation. 71 plus 6. Then I have to choose a strategy. I'm going to use the strategy count on. Now, my little friend is going to help me. Let's see what he does. Okay, he's thinking about the number 71. That's how many blocks are in the box now. But then we get 6 more, or Brian puts 6 more blocks inside the box. So I'm going to start with 71, place that in my head, and then I'm going to count 6 more times. 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. There are 77 blocks. How did you do, boys and girls? Excellent. Now, yesterday, you measured and made predictions about lines A and B. You also wrote how many small paper clips and large paper clips were needed to measure each line. Today, the objective is I can explain why or why I did not use the same number of small and large paper clips to measure a line. Basically, what that means, boys and girls, you're going to look at page 9 and you're going to check those numbers that you wrote at the bottom and you're going to see if they're the same or different. And if they're the same or different, you need to know why they're the same or why they are different. I'll explain more. Let's go to the next slide. Here we are. Here's what I want you to do. Look at the number of small clips you used to measure line A. That would be right here. Now look at the number of large clips you used to measure line A. That would be right here. What do you notice? Now let's do the same thing for line B. Look at the number you wrote for small paper clips. Now look at the number you wrote for large paper clips. What do you notice? Did you use the same number of small and large clips to measure each line? That's right about it. What I'll need for you to do is to write this sentence frame on your paper. This sentence frame has two lines. Here's line 1, here's the second line. So on your paper, you're going to write I did. Now you're only going to write did if you look at page 9 and the numbers are the same for small and large paper clips. Or you're going to write I did not use the same number of small paper clips and large paper clips to measure each line. And then you have to explain why. So you're going to write, I think this happened because. The last thing I want you to do, boys and girls, is send a picture of your work to your teacher. That's all for our lesson today. Until next time, bye.